Check out these 3 Instagram posts. One is influencer marketing, the other is affiliate marketing, and the other is word of mouth. By the end of this video, you will be able to tell the difference so you too can start working with influencers to grow your business. Because hey, your competitors, they're probably already doing it. And that's because working with influencers, honestly, it really works. So time to hop on the bandwagon, and I am here to help. Before we get into the demystifying part of this video, let's first take a step back to see where each of these tactics fall into the broader landscape of marketing channels. A marketing channel, by the way, is anything that's used to get your brand or business in front of potential customers. Marketers typically place marketing channels into 3 big categories. Own channels are ones that you directly own and manage yourself, such as your website, your newsletter, or maybe your blog. Paid channels require you to spend money. So paid search, paid social advertising, or actually any kind of advertising fall into this category. And then earned channels are when your brand is mentioned without any paid promotion at all. Now, influencer marketing and affiliate marketing are both considered to be paid channels or paid media. And the main difference between them has to do actually with how influencers are paid. So with influencer marketing, you pay an online creator or an influencer a lump sum for creating content that promotes your brand or your business. This Instagram post that you see right here is a result of influencer marketing, and I can tell because Instagram actually is telling me that this is first a paid partnership. You can see that up top. And Jack, the influencer, is tagging this as an ad. So this means that this brand, Pot Noodles, paid Jack, this influencer, to post this content. Now, this next post might also seem like influencer marketing because it also says that it's a paid partnership and it's also tagged as an ad, but there's a quite important difference here. This influencer is sharing her personal discount code for Purina. You can see here it's 20% off if you buy using her code Ellen20. This means that every single time someone buys Purina with this code, Ellen, our influencer, is getting a cut of that sale. Meow. Now, this tiny distinction places this content squarely in the affiliate marketing bucket. Affiliate marketing is when your business pays a commission for traffic or sales that are generated from referrals, such as influencer posts. In this case, the sales are being tracked with a coupon code, but many affiliates also use links. Like take this YouTuber, for example. He created a beginner tutorial for Monday.com, which is a super popular project management tool. I use it actually. If you scroll down to the video description, you're gonna see a link to an extended trial. Now, when you click on this link, notice that it has these little tracking codes on it that are pointing back to this influencer. The page actually also has his name right on top. These are all clues that Mr. Stratford is actually getting a cut of all sales that happen through this page. So good for him. Affiliate marketing on the surface actually looks super similar to a sponsored post from an influencer because they both promote something external in exchange for payment. But affiliates, remember, receive a commission rather than a one-off flat rate. In other words, affiliates are only paid when the agreed upon action is completed, and this agreed upon action can be almost anything, but it's usually a sale. Influencers, on the other hand, with influencer marketing, get paid no matter what the outcome is of the collaboration. So look out for wording like use my code for X% off or purchase through my link when trying to identify content that is affiliate marketing, not influencer marketing. Okay, now on to the final type of marketing we're going to cover today, and that is word of mouth. Most people associate word of mouth with being in person, like telling friends and your family about that great new Mexican restaurant that you visited the other day. But in the digital age, things look a little bit different. Word of mouth is essentially when people talk about a product, a business, or a brand online without any incentives at all. The brand or the business, you in this case, the marketer, is not paying their customers to write reviews or talk about them online. They just do it because they want to share their experience, because they love what you produce, your products and your brand. So this content that is posted by people who love your brand can then be used by you, the marketer, as user-generated content or UGC. You can take this UGC and post it on your own social channels. Let's take a look at an example from Poshmark. In this case, this fan of Poshmark shared a picture of her outfit and tagged Poshmark. Then the Poshmark marketing team reposted their image on their Instagram feed. This is an example of UGC or user-generated content. All the examples I shared so far are on social media, but it's really important to note that influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, and word-of-mouth marketing can exist on other platforms or channels as well. For example, you could pay an influencer to promote your brand in their newsletter. That's influencer marketing. And if that link is trackable and the influencer is getting a paid commission for every sale, that's affiliate marketing. Or if the influencer just loves you, decides to include you in their newsletter anyway, no payment at all, that would be word of mouth. So there you have it. These are 3 of the most effective and often very confusing marketing tactics out there, debunked in just a couple minutes or a little bit more. One thing I want to say before we end is that a lot of people think of influencers as those annoying people taking selfies with their $10 cappuccinos, but that's just really a stereotype. There are influencers for all sorts of products and industries, from books to semiconductors. Influencers can look like this, or this, or this. You as a marketer just need to find the right kind of influencer for your brand. Remember, influencers are important because people trust people. If you want to learn more about this topic, including how to run your very own influencer marketing campaign, I have added some very helpful links below. Now, tell me, have you ever tried to work with influencers to promote your business? How did it go? Was it challenging? Was it worth it? Share your thoughts in the comments and I will do my best to respond. Hasta luego.